Hello and good morning to all of you. Welcome to Freda Resident Hot Spring Sungai Kelah. I'm Hani. On behalf of Dahlia Travel and Tour Agency, we guide you on this wonderful trip. Do you enjoy your journey to come here? I guess it is great, right? Okay, let's go to explore this hot spring. Now let me give you a gentle reminder. Please always put your trash in the trash bin. Always stay in your group member. Next, always be careful when you are walking since the floor is so wet. Lastly, please take a good care for your belongings. Before we go too far, let me give you some information about this spring. This natural hot spring was opened on December 2003 with total cost around 6 million ringgit. It's reputed to be one of the best managed hot spring in Malaysia. Okay, now let's move on to the interesting part. The main reason why people come here, the big pool. For your information, this big pool get the source of heat from underground. How this thing happen? Well, it's happened because of the spiral pathway of the fairy lava under the Earth's crust, cause the layer of the spring area occurs this natural hot water. Next, the hot water pool, we have the cool water pool, which get the source of cool water from mountain nearby the spring. These two big pools combine together and makes water at the center mix up, having a normal temperature water. You can feel the three levels of water here: cool, normal, and hot. I recommend you guys to swim at the cool side first before go to the hot sides. It is to avoid yourself from get a cool. Yeah, if your body must be shocked if you go to the hot pipe water first and then you go to cool water. It's not a good idea, I think. Instead of having fun, in here you guys can relax in mind and detoxifying toxic from your body. Some person who can't believe that natural spring water here can have a solve problem related with spinal inject, insomnia, and also problem related with skin. While enjoy walking and sightseeing the natural scenery, a visitor can walk barefoot throughout the hot stream of water. If you are able to walk without any pain, it means you are healthy. Don't forget to try experience it yourself. If you guys are having pain, if you are when you are walking here, you need to do further checkup with doctor. Enjoy private atmosphere compared to crowded place. You should try package of private jacuzzi that offer here with only 75 ringgit for standard type of jacuzzi and 125 ringgit for superior type of jacuzzi per hour. It is suitable place, especially when you come with your family member for some privacy. Basically, this package is popular among Japanese tourists that come here. Last thing that you must do here is egg boiling activity. Children enjoy this activity more because they love eating eggs. But the adult need to take care of the children because the temperature of the water is extremely hot that can reach to 100 Celsius. You guys don't need to bring your own egg from outside. There are a store nearby the egg boiling area with an affordable price. They also provide a big cafeteria that offer a variety of food and drinks. Visitor can having picnic here after having fun swimming and playing with the water at the pool. Last but not least, you can stay a night or more at villa that provided here. It have 5 villa that available for you to booking, which are Villa A and Villa B type. Villa A type consists 2 rooms and cost around 600 to 800 per night, while Villa V type consists 1 room and costs around 450 ringgit per night. But you need to booking earlier because it will fully booking, especially during weekend or holiday. As to make this place memorable for you, I suggest you to purchase souvenir items such as kitchen, t-shirt, mug, and so on. Last word from me. If you have questions, please ask me. I will kindly answer all of them. If not, I will like to end my tour now. Thank you for your cooperation, and I hope you enjoy your day here and wish you will come here again. Bye. Thank you.